Hi, I'm Bear, Chief Innovation Instigator at Micro. Our company works with major consumer electronics brands to design, engineer, develop, and bring to manufacture tiny, hearable computers, products that are about half the size of an Apple AirPod, and we believe about 10 times more flexible and extensible. For the past 2 years, we have been awarding 100% of our sub-miniature rigid flex PC board fabrication and assembly to the fine partners at Rush PCB in San Jose. During my 30 years in the consumer electronics product development industry, I have worked with tens, maybe hundreds of PCB vendors around the world. And in my experience, I have simply never worked with a group of people more responsive, capable, accurate, and thorough than the team at Rush. As a bit of an example, I'm not too proud to admit that in the past year alone, I've spent time screen sharing and working with the team at Rush PCB on Thanksgiving Day, and as it turns out, on New Year's Day. And so while I'm sure all of us have other things and commitments that we might rather be doing on those days, it's a great comfort to me and the rest of the team here at Micro that our most strategically charged projects become the entire focus for Rush PCB when they engage. Beyond being, as they say, 24/7, 365 accessible, at least as important, maybe more important, is the fact that no matter how challenging our layouts and stack-ups, Rush PCB is the only vendor that we have consistently been able to achieve near 100% yield rates with time and again, and no matter the crushingly tight lead times that we tend to give them. Our PCBs are typically 6-layer rigid flex, 2 mil trace and space, blind vias, via in pad, all kinds of rule breaking, if you will, on tolerance between components in the assembly, full laser cut board perimeters and depanelization. And no matter the challenge, Rush works with us through the design and layout process to come up with solutions that they are able to stand behind and manufacture reliably, saving us a lot of time and preventing needless iterations. At the end of the day, our mission of providing the world's most advanced and tiniest in-ear computers is only made possible by the strength and talent of our in-house team members and our extensional supply chain partners like Rush PCB. Roy and his team, Das, everyone, the entire crew, really we think of as members of our own family. I cannot offer a more positive recommendation for a vendor partner. If you or a member of your product development team would like more personal information about our experiences working with Rush, feel free to shoot me an email, Bear, B-E-A-R, @earmicro.com.